Anyone with even a passing interest in Shiba Inu or Shib tokens should not miss this video because of fresh time-sensitive information that might alter the game for Shiba Inu. So, what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? What effect will this have on the Shiba Inu's worth? Today, I'll be addressing all of your questions and sharing all the new information that has just surfaced regarding Shiba Inu in my video. Because I have invested a lot of time and energy into this movie, I would really appreciate it if you would stick around until the very end. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. First, however, let's check out the chart to see how the Shiba price is doing on December 31st before we get into our issue, shall we? Now the price of a Shiba Inu is roughly 2167 units. There was 520 million USD worth of transactions in Shib in the previous 24 hours, a 3.9% increase in price. At the moment, the token is the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $12.7 billion. These prices may have changed by the time you see the video. This information is not meant to provide financial advice. We may begin today's video now. The cause for the spike is the purchase of 4 trillion Shib by Shiba Inu investors. The Shiba Inu price has been quite active as of late, but it has failed to overcome a key resistance level. Investor optimism is strong despite flat returns. The fact that holders are buying Shib tokens despite the token's flat price reflects this trend. Investors in Shiba Inu start making money. The availability of Shiba Inu on the market has dropped by an enormous 4 trillion Shib, or over $115 million at today's pricing, in the last 5 days. Investors are likely stocking up because of the drastic decrease in the available supply. The assumption that Shib will ultimately see a big price increase is reflected in it. Even while the meme currency hasn't been able to pass through important resistance levels, its community is still going strong. Despite the market's current standstill, investors are displaying perseverance by placing bets on what they hope will be Shib's eventual breakout. Keeping piling on shows assurance, especially considering the overall market tendencies that have failed to produce significant long-term price increases. Shiba Inu's macro momentum is becoming positive, propelled mostly by the buying and holding of long-term investors. Stability and reduced market volatility are benefits of these investors' long-term token holdings, usually more than a year. The fact that LTH owns 74% of the Shib tokens at now shows how confident they are in the coin's future. This high level of Shib concentration in long-term ownership bodes well for the token's future stability. It shows that a large part of the market is looking beyond the coin's short-term price swings and at its long-term potential. Looking forward, there is resistance for the Shib price. At the moment, the price of Shiba Inu is encountering resistance at 2,270 units. In an effort to recoup 10% of its losses from this week, the cryptocurrency is targeting a price break above this level. With renewed interest, Shib may be able to reclaim its previous position and go for the 2806 unit resistance level. If this happens, the meme currency will have made a full recovery. The present market mood and the actions of long-term holders suggest that Shiba Inu might potentially surpass 2806. This might cause the altcoin's price to fall even more, to 3,215 units. If this were to happen, it would mean that investors are more confident in Shib's future, and that its rising trend would be more prolonged. But Shib can see a negative reversal if it can't overcome the 2,270 units barrier. The cryptocurrency may plummet to 2,006 units if the price falls below this level. The positive perspective would be rendered useless if the Shiba Inu price were to go any lower than this level, indicating a more severe correction and more losses. It would mean the world to me if you could just go ahead and hit the like button if you're still watching. The channel is well supported and it doesn't cost anything. If you want to know what's happening with Shiba Inu and where the currency may go from here, you'll have to see the show. The meat of today's video is about to begin. This leading exchange has included Shiba Inu to its listings. The Gemini cryptocurrency exchange's derivative trading platform, Gemini Foundation, has launched a new perpetual contract using Shiba Inu as its collateral. This expands the range of trading alternatives that consumers in certain countries have access to. The Gemini Foundation is continuing to provide improved trading possibilities for digital assets, and this step is part of that endeavor. To facilitate inexpensive trading against the stablecoin, the recently released perpetual contract is priced in Gemini dollars. Traders may make the most of their positions with few initial inputs thanks to the platform's support for leverage up to 100x. If you want to profit from market fluctuations but don't want to put a lot of money down at once, this function is for you. The expansion of Gemini Foundation's perpetual contract offerings includes this new product. Contracts supporting cryptocurrencies like as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, XRP, Bitcoin Cash, and others were previously introduced to the platform. Gemini Foundation's dedication to broadening its derivatives portfolio is evident with the release of Shiba Inu, joining Bitcoin Cash and Uniswap. Only in areas where derivative trading is not limited may you purchase the Shiba Inu perpetual contract or any of the other derivatives offered by the approved region's Gemini Foundation. In contrast to the main Gemini platform, which serves users in the US, UK, and EU, the Gemini Foundation does not. There are now 32 jurisdictions that the platform is compatible with. Some of them are Argentina, Brazil, Chile, Turkey, and the Bahamas. Users in these locations have the opportunity to bet on the price of the Shiba Inu perpetual contract without actually holding the underlying Shib token. Launching Gemini Foundation requires all new users to register for an account before they can start trading. To begin trading derivatives after opening an account, go to the area for your derivatives account and look for the Activate Now button. After activation, customers may begin trading derivatives by transferring Gust or Bitcoin to their account. It is recommended that users read and agree to the terms of service before making any purchases. This procedure guarantees that traders are aware of the regulations and hazards of derivatives trading. Raising the bar for advanced trading choices, advanced trading items for Shiba Inu have been introduced by other cryptocurrency exchanges than Gemini Foundation. With the token's recent addition to the Coinbase 50 Index Fund, users now have access to 50 of the top cryptocurrencies by market size, excluding stablecoins like Tether. Kraken is no different. It now accepts Shiba Inu as collateral for futures trades. Kraken has already introduced a margin trading pair for Shib, thus this step reflects the increasing desire for more advanced methods to interact with the coin. In spite of the proliferation of sophisticated trading platforms, the asset's value has declined. Despite the token's exposure and trading options expanding, its decrease demonstrates the market instability of cryptocurrencies. A major step forward in the ever-growing realm of cryptocurrency derivatives trading has been the release of the perpetual agreement on Gemini Foundation. A new approach for speculating on the popular coin is now available to traders. In spite of these trading improvements, the token's previous market performance shows that cryptocurrencies are still quite volatile. A large number of our subscribers have expressed their unwavering belief in the Shiba Inu developers and the practical worth of Shib, stating that they will not be selling millions of them for the next 5 years. Tell me how many are in your possession. In the space provided below, please disclose the amount of Shib that you now own. The Shib holder deserves kudos for having faith in the procedure. Leave a comment with your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token, subscribe to the channel, and give this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Additionally, to ensure that you are alerted whenever we upload a new video, be sure to enable post notifications.